Come, quick.
Jalan. Wah, Ustaz. Alun apa?
Okay. How's the work, guys, in Azera?
Filter.
Yeah, it's good. And in Avram, you are still Hevel Shalom?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, you need to know, for example, we have a source of water that starts from here, let's say, okay? Quiet. Now the water gets inside. Before the water start to get inside the other parts of the system, we need to put a tap, okay? Why is that? Because if we have some problems in other parts of the irrigation system, we can close the water and treat in the problem that we have. Understood? Now, we need to pay attention to the direction, the arrow. You see the arrow here? There is an arrow. Always with the stream, not against it. Okay? Understood? Good. Now, the water gets inside, emitting this. What is that?
Filter.
The filter.
Yeah.
What is inside the filter? Hundreds of these that catching the old sand, other particles that we don't want inside our water, because they will cause us problems in decreasing of the pressure. They will stack our pipes, they will stack our plots, and there was not enough water to the all the rows in the plot, to the all trees. Okay, so to prevent this this problem of stacking the pipes, what we need to do? Every week or 2 weeks, depending on the quality of the water that you get from your country, okay, you will open it, you will remove this cover, take it out the filter and wash it with water. Okay, very good, until you see it's clean. You finish, you return it back. Sometimes you will find irrigation system that filtration system that looks like that. Okay, in small irrigation system you will find it inside like this. What you need to do, the same idea. Okay, same principle, just open it, take it out, wash it good, and that's all. If you will look on the other filters, you will see that they are different. Why is that? They are for different use. For example, this is for water. The holes are very crowded. Or okay, this is holes that are very big. This is using for fertilization system. Okay. If we will put this kind of filter inside of fertilization system, the fertilizer won't get out, okay? It will stuck inside the pipe and the tank of the fertilization and we do nothing, okay? So pay attention in what kind of filter we are using, okay? Usually we will put this kind of filter in the start, before everything, okay? So we will take the all little particles inside the water or the fertilization and prevent from them to move on. Understood? Yes, the green and the blue. Okay, you see that if you look, you can see the big holes. Yeah. Look on this, it's smaller.
About this
yes.
one?
Yellow is the same for water. For water, also the same. It's less crowded. Okay. Good. Now, you can pass it for everybody. Now, the water will continue get down or side. It depends how you build it. Now. They will meet this one. You see this one? This is the pressure regulator. Okay? This is how we regulate the pressure. This is exactly how it sounds. What does it mean? The water getting inside. Okay? By the way, this is ancient. Today we won't use in something like this. If you saw in the Prior orchards, you probably something look like that. You saw? Yeah. Yes. This is the pressure regulator. It's the same like this, but let's say much more advanced. Okay, this is ancient. This is all. All the pipes here connected to the main tap, and the. Sorry.
Okay.
What? Tell me. What is funny? I want to joke also.
No.
No? Okay. So the pipe connected to the main tap. The pressure here is equivalent to the all pressure in the main tap. Okay? Understand? This is the technology. Inside of it, if you will open it, you will find a spring. Okay? This is a spring. How we can control the pressure? By, you see the screw up here? Okay, we start to spin it, and while we are spinning it, we need to look on the gauge of the pressure. Okay? There is a pressure gauge. Okay, you know what is gauge? A measurement. Pressure measurement. Okay? We will look on it. How it looks, the pressure gauge, it looks like that. You see?
Yes.
While I spin it, I will look on the pressure and I will see if I got the exact pressure I want. Usually in the main tap, we would like to have pressure between 5 to 7 bar. Bar is the units of pressure. Okay,
Yeah,
bar
yeah.
or atmosphere. Usually you will see bar. Now if you want to see if it works, I can show you.
Cái đầu nè, ploy.
Look, I will stack it inside. You see how it jump? You see how it jump?
Yeah.
What is the pressure?
4.25.
Wonderful. Always check in the exit, not in the entrance of the water. Look, this is how I explained you. You remember? This is the source of the water. This is the tap. Okay, I can close and open. The water coming here, they're meeting the filterization. Yes, first. Okay, now I want to check how much the pressure. I will stack it inside and I will look. I have some problems. I can regulate it over here. Sorry?
Made in Thailand.
Yeah, made in Thailand. This is also something mentioned. Now, here the pressure regulator, by playing with that, I can decreasing or increasing the pressure in the system. Understood? Now, this is computer. Okay, I can put the exact program that I want, in which days I want to irrigate, and what is the frequency in each day. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for simple use. Okay, usually in like in Trio, we have computers that's sitting in each plot.
Yes.
That's sending. You can sit at your home and control the irrigation from home. Not in all of the orchards of citrus, but in most of them. Okay.
Yes.
This is, for example, is a service tap. Okay, if you want to fill a bowl of fertilization, you put some iron in the field. You saw an iron powder. You saw it. Never mind. They can fill it with the bowl. They open the service tap, and they can fill the water. Okay, usually this is how it looks. Okay. I want to show you more things over there.
Okay.
So the water floating here and divided. Okay, and there is a sub main pipe that divided to the old plots in the field. Understood? Good. Now, if we have some problems inside the okay, probably you saw it in Prior. If we have some problem in the pipe, okay, birds eat it, I don't know, wolves eat it, dogs, something is steering, so we can take the pipe, cut it, okay, put the connector inside. This is connector for 20 millimeters. Of course, there are for 16, 32. Usually this is what we will use in orchards, 20. Okay? There are even less from, there are 12 and even less. Okay? So we will stack it inside, and if we want to, we don't must to do it, but if we want to increase in places in the plot that we have a lot of problems with them, we can take the connector inside of it and put this holder on the pipe and smash it and squeeze it. Okay, so by doing that we preventing the possibility that it will get out. Okay, that it will release. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, it will sit like this. I squeeze it. Okay, very useful. Now, in the end of each line, irrigation line, we put something like that, glasses, that it will work like this, and this is you prevent from the water to float out. Understood?
Yes.
Good. Now, mechanism of the dripper, how it works. Usually in the orchards you will find, and also in other crop, you will find that the dripper is already built in inside. How it works? You see the lines here? This is the entrance of the water. Okay? The water gets inside, and then they will make a maze. You know what is maze? Maze. Left, right, okay? Okay, the water gets inside and we're stuck in small walls. By doing that, we are decreasing the energy of the water. And instead of getting out from this hole as a fountain, they will get out drop by drop. Understood? What else? This is a laser. You can put it, connect it to the plot, and you get much more information in the irrigation class that you will get. Sorry. Questions meanwhile? You have some questions? Meanwhile, questions? No? Okay. What is that? This is a pressure this story. Water clock, water timer. You can put the exact quantity that you want and connect it to the tap. Okay, and you can put the quantity, go home, go wherever you like, and when you come back, you will see that you will get he gave the exact quantity that you told him to give. So you're going to finish, guys. I'm sorry, but please, more questions for me. Send me in the email. This is the main idea. Okay, this is what I want to do.
And how about the